Join me as I set out to uncover Denmark's hidden gems that most tourists never see. In this video, you'll discover Denmark's hidden gems that often go unnoticed by tourists, but are definitely worth exploring. Many travelers flock to popular spots like Copenhagen, missing out on the unique experiences that smaller towns and lesser-known attractions offer. While Copenhagen is an amazing city, it's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to exploring Denmark. There's so much more to this beautiful country than just the capital. From charming coastal towns to picturesque countryside villages, Denmark has a wealth of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. By venturing off the beaten path, you'll get to experience the authentic Danish way of life, untainted by tourist traps and overcrowded streets. You'll get to immerse yourself in the local culture, try delicious food at family-run restaurants, and make unforgettable memories with the friendly locals. One of the biggest advantages of exploring Denmark's hidden gems is that you'll often find yourself surrounded by nature's beauty. From the stunning cliffs of Mon to the serene lakes of mid-Jutland, Denmark is home to some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes in Europe. And the best part is, you'll often have these spots all to yourself, without the crowds and noise that come with popular tourist destinations. Whether you're a nature lover, a thrill seeker, or just someone who appreciates peace and quiet, Denmark's hidden gems have something for everyone. We'll take you on a journey through some of these hidden gems, including picturesque villages, stunning natural landscapes, and fascinating historical sites. Imagine strolling through the colorful streets of Aarhus, exploring the ancient Viking ruins of Lindholm Hoge, or hiking through the majestic forests of North Zealand. Each of these destinations offers a unique glimpse into Denmark's rich history, vibrant culture, and unspoiled natural beauty. From the rugged coastline of West Jutland to the idyllic islands of the Baltic Sea, every corner of Denmark is steeped in history and tradition. We'll delve into the country's fascinating past, exploring medieval castles, Renaissance-era manor houses, and even a UNESCO World Heritage Site or two. And along the way, we'll meet the people who call Denmark home, hearing their stories and learning about their way of life. The highlight of our adventure will be a visit to a truly secret location that embodies the charm and beauty of Denmark, revealing why it deserves a spot on your travel itinerary. This hidden gem is so off the beaten path that even many locals don't know about it, but trust us, it's an experience you won't soon forget. From the moment you step foot in this enchanting place, you'll be surrounded by the essence of Denmark, its history, culture, and natural beauty, all blending together in perfect harmony. As we explore this secret location, you'll begin to understand why Denmark is so much more than just a destination. It's a state of mind. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, where functionality meets design, and where the great outdoors meets cozy comfort. And by the time we're done, you'll be itching to plan your own trip to Denmark, to experience all the hidden gems that this incredible country has to offer. Our visit to this secret location will be a truly immersive experience, one that will leave you with unforgettable memories and a newfound appreciation for Denmark's hidden gems. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your first trip, this is an adventure you won't want to miss. To wrap up, we'll summarize the hidden gems we've explored and why they're essential for a complete Danish experience. From the stunning natural landscapes to the charming rural towns, every hidden gem we've showcased has revealed a unique aspect of Denmark's character, its history, culture, and natural beauty. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content, and check out our video on Denmark's best-kept secrets.